Hook, have you ever wondered why it feels like you're playing a game of hide and seek with your money when trying to deposit into your Relay bank account? It's like the bank is playing hard to get, isn't it? Well, today, we're going to put an end to that frustrating game. Let's dive into the world of direct deposits and make your financial life a whole lot easier. Context: so, what exactly is a direct deposit? Think of it as your money's personal chauffeur. Instead of having to drive your funds to the bank yourself, you simply instruct your employer or other financial institution to drop your money off directly at your Relay bank account. It's like having a personal assistant for your finances. Step 1. Gather your information. Before we get started, let's make sure you have everything you need. You'll want to have your Relay bank account number handy, as well as your routing number. These numbers are the key to your financial kingdom. Step 2. Contact your employer or financial institution. Now, it's time to let your employer or financial institution know that you'd like to set up a direct deposit. They'll usually have a simple form for you to fill out. Just provide them with your Relay bank account and routing numbers, and they'll take care of the rest. Step 3. Verify your information. Once you've submitted your information, it's a good idea to double-check and make sure everything is accurate. The last thing you want is for your money to take a wrong turn and end up in the wrong account. Step 4. Wait for your first direct deposit. After you've verified your information, it's just a matter of waiting for your first direct deposit to arrive. Depending on your employer or financial institution's payroll schedule, this could take a few days or a couple of weeks. Additional tips. Consider direct deposit for other payments. Direct deposits aren't just for your paycheck. You can also set up direct deposits for government benefits, rental payments, and more. Check your account regularly. Once you start receiving direct deposits, it's important to check your account regularly to make sure everything is going smoothly. Report any issues promptly. If you notice any problems with your direct deposits, don't hesitate to contact your employer or financial institution. They'll be able to help you resolve the issue. Conclusion: so, there you have it. Direct deposits can be a convenient and hassle-free way to manage your finances. By following these simple steps, you can have your money deposited directly into your Relay bank account, saving you time and effort. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.